Hey there, my lovely English friends. It's Sophia here, and welcome back to the Friendly English Podcast, where we learn real English for real life with warmth, laughter, and heart. So let me ask you a question. What do you do on a lazy Sunday? Do you sleep in? Do you stay in bed with your phone? Or maybe you make coffee, open your window, and just breathe for a while. That sounds nice, right? Today, we're going to talk about lazy Sundays in English. You'll learn how to describe your weekend, talk about your routine, and sound natural and confident when chatting with friends. So grab your tea, get cozy, and let's start our slow, relaxing English time together. Let's begin with a little story. On Sundays, I usually wake up late, maybe around 9 or 10. I stretch in bed and check my phone for a few minutes. Then, I make myself a nice cup of coffee. Sometimes, I listen to soft music or just sit and watch the sky. I don't rush. I don't make plans. It's my no stress day. Do you have a day like that? That's what I call my lazy Sunday. Now let's learn how you can talk about your lazy Sunday in English step by step. Step 1. Talking about the morning. We often use simple present tense for routines. Example sentences. I wake up late. I make coffee. I stay in bed for a while. I check social media. I listen to music. Repeat after me. Let's practice. I wake up late. I make coffee. I stay in bed for a while. I check my phone. I listen to music. Nice. You sound relaxed already. Step 2. Talking about food. What do you eat on a lazy Sunday? Sophia. Here are some natural ways to say it. I make a big breakfast. I cook pancakes. I order food online. I eat slowly and enjoy my meal. Now you repeat after me. I make pancakes. I eat slowly. I enjoy my food. Good job. Step 3. Talking about afternoon activities. After a lazy morning, maybe you relax even more. You can say, I watch movies. I read a book. I take a nap. I go for a walk. I spend time with my family. Let's practice again. I watch movies. I take a nap. I go for a walk. Can you feel the calm? Step 4. Talking about evening time. In the evening, maybe you start to prepare for Monday. You can say, I get ready for the new week. I plan my schedule. I cook dinner. I go to bed early. Repeat after me time. I cook dinner. I plan my week. I go to bed early. Perfect. Now let's bring it all together into a short paragraph. Full example. My lazy Sunday. Here's how I would say it. On Sundays, I wake up late and make some coffee. I stay in bed for a while and check my phone. Then I make pancakes for breakfast and listen to music. In the afternoon, I watch a movie or take a nap. In the evening, I cook dinner and plan my week. My Sunday is simple, quiet, and relaxing. Now you can say something similar about your Sunday. Let's do a little speaking practice together. I'll ask you questions and you answer out loud, okay? Question 1. What time do you wake up on Sunday? Question 2. What do you like to eat for breakfast? Question 3. What do you do in the afternoon? Question 4. What time do you go to bed? Great! You're doing wonderful! Now let's make your English sound even more natural with some Sunday-style idioms and culture tips. Idiom 1. Take it easy. It means to relax or not work too hard. Example, it's Sunday. I just want to take it easy. Repeat after me. I just want to take it easy. Idiom 2. Recharge my batteries. This means to rest and get your energy back. Example, I stay home on Sundays to recharge my batteries. Repeat after me. I stay home to recharge my batteries. In English-speaking countries, people sometimes say, Sunday fun day, a fun nickname for Sunday when you do what you love. Example, it's Sunday fun day. Let's go for brunch. So cute, right? Word phrase .lazy .meaning .not wanting to work or be active. Example, I feel lazy on Sundays. Word phrase .relax .meaning to rest and feel calm. Example, I like to relax at home. Word phrase nap meaning a short sleep during the day. Example, I take a nap in the afternoon. Word phrase plan meaning to think about what you will do. Example, I need to recharge my batteries. Say them with me once more. Lazy, relax, nap, plan. Excellent pronunciation. When chatting in English, you can ask friendly weekend questions like, how was your weekend? Did you do anything fun? Did you relax at home? These questions help start easy, natural conversations with coworkers, classmates, or new friends. You know, my friend. Sometimes we feel guilty for doing nothing, but lazy Sundays are important. They give your mind and body a little hug. Learning English can feel busy grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation. But today, we took it slow. You learned to describe your Sunday, use new words, and even speak like a native. That's something to be proud of. So this week, I want you to try something. When Sunday comes, enjoy it in English. Talk to yourself. I'm relaxing. I'm recharging my batteries. I feel calm. And remember, English is not just about studying. It's about feeling good while you learn. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, leave a comment, and tell me, how do you spend your lazy Sunday? I'd love to read your answers in the comments. Thank you for learning with me today. This is Sophia from the Friendly English Podcast, reminding you to take it easy, smile often, and keep learning English the friendly way.